Hi friends, hope you're well. This is Atif. You're watching Moon 333 and very warm welcome on Ethereum price action update. First of all, I would like to have some recap with you. This was a chart I have just published on January 2020, and here we have seen that the price action had formed a bullish shark pattern, and it was expected that the price action will hit this sell zone after entering in this buying zone. And it was expected that it will give up to 123% profit. So far, it has produced almost 104% profit. And this was our previous analysis. I've already shared a video and article with you guys. If you didn't watch my previous video, then you can find the previous video, the long-term analysis on Ethereum, at the end of this video on your computer screen. So on the long-term analysis, if we see our long-term next resistance level is $742, and you'll find all the signals and the patterns which I have shared in the previous video. Okay, first, if we see that at this time we are above the resistance level of $224, which is just recently broken by the price action of Ethereum, and now the price action is likely to form a bull flag. But there is some difference at this time in the movement of the price action if we compare this movement with the previous move or bull run of Ethereum. First, if we see the bull run of which was started since Feb to June 2019, then we can see after breaking out the first resistance level at $149, the price action retested the previous resistance as a support, and after taking or using that support, the price action moved to the next resistance level, and again the price action retraced and used the previous broken resistance as a support and moved to the next resistance level at $310. Now, if we see that then the price action is breaking out the resistance levels, but not using the previous resistance levels as a support. So we'll just discuss why this is happening this time. First of all, this is a very, very positive and bullish signal that is showing that Ethereum this time is more bullish than the previous move. And if we see that after breaking out the $149 resistance level, why here the price action did not use the previous resistance level as a support, and after breaking out the $224 resistance level, why the price action did not use this resistance level as a support. If we see on the day chart with the simple moving averages like this blue one is the 25 simple moving average, this green one is a 50 moving average, this black one is a 200 moving average, and this red one is the 100 simple moving average. Then we can see that after the price action broke out the 149 resistance level. After that, we received a golden cross between 100 moving average and 25 moving average. And whenever the moving averages form the golden crosses, especially just beneath or below the price action, it produced a more powerful bullish divergence. Therefore, when we receive a bull cross here, then the price action moved up. And after that, we just received another bull cross between 25 and 200 moving average, and it produced more powerful bullish divergence. And then we received a 50 moving average and the 100 moving average golden cross. Now, what happened next when the price action broke out the next resistance level at $224? Then we received some other bull crosses. For example, we received this bull cross. We just received this bull cross between 50 and the 200 moving average, which is the more considered as a more powerful and favored bull cross among the traders community. They always seek for this bull cross between 200 simple moving average and the 50 moving average, and after that they place their buying orders because the traders expect that after this bull cross or before this bull cross, the price action can take a very, very powerful bullish divergence than the previous move. And now we are also going to have another bull cross between 100 simple moving average and the 200 simple moving average. You can see both moving averages are coming closer to each one to form a bull cross, and soon we will see that the 100 moving average will cross up the 200 moving average. Then we will see the more powerful bullish divergence. So first, the first reason which I found that why the price action was not able to use the previous resistance, the broken resistances as a support was this were these bull crosses, because every bull cross produced another bullish divergence. Therefore, the price action only formed a small bull flag, and after that, the price action moved to the next bull flag. Now, if we'll just dig these bull flags more deeper than the recent bull flag, then we can see that the price action has entered on this 12-hour chart in an ascending triangle. This triangle has the formation of this triangle has been started since 10th of Feb. The price action entered in this triangle, and if you are a professional trader or you have some knowledge of the trading, then the ascending triangle is a bullish continuation chart pattern. More than 80%, there are more than 80% chances that if this is a trend continuation pattern, basically. For example, if we are in a downtrend, then it will be consider that the downtrend will be continued. For example, there is an uptrend, then we can say that now the uptrend will be continued, and we will have there are more than 80% chances that the price action will take the bullish divergence and break out the resistance of this triangle very soon, and we'll have a continuation bullish bullish direction. So we can see that the price action entered, and this movement of the price action is very much synchronized with the stochastic and the MACD signals. For example, this is the point where for the first time the price action was hitting at the support of this triangle. Then we can see that here we have received a bull cross from the stochastic, and the MACD was turned strong bullish from weak bullish. Here we have the weak bullish signals. If I'll make it more visible for you, it will be easy for you to watch it. Then you can see that here we were having the weak bullish signals. Here it turned the strong bullish, and after that the price action moved up and hit at the resistance of this triangle. And after that the price action moved down again and hit at the support of this triangle. And again, when here we can see that the MACD was turned strong bearish, then the MACD was turning bullish. It was just turned from strong bearish to weak bearish, and we received a bull cross from the MACD here, and the price action moved up and again hits at the resistance of the triangle. Then again it moved down and hits the support of the triangle, and again the MACD was turning bullish from here. It is turned weak bearish from strong bearish. It is kind of bullish signal from the MACD, and we have already received a bull cross from the stochastic, and we are in the bull cross at this time, and price action is moving up. Now when the price action this time will move up, it may break out the resistance of this triangle, or maybe it will be dropped down, because the ending of the triangle, you can see this area is getting squeezed. So it will be difficult for the price action to move more in this triangle. So the price action will take the decision very soon whether it has to break down or break out. There are more chances that it will break out the resistance of the triangle, because we have already received these bull signals from the stochastic and the MACD as well. And finally, if we see the Bill-Williams three lines, these are the very strong signals, very strong strategy, you can say, to see a perfect alligator open and closed mouth. We can see that this is very clearly, it can be very clearly seen here that we are in a complete uptrend at this time, like we were in uptrend from Feb to June 2019. Here we can see when the bull flag was formed. After that, we received is that the alligator's mouth was opened by the Bill Williams three lines. This blue one is called jaw. This red one is called teeth, and this green one is called the lips or lip of this alligator. This is the 13 simple moving average. This red one is the 8 simple moving average, and this green one is the 5 simple moving average with the time period of 5. All right, when we have received the bull signals or bull crosses, or the alligator mouth was completely open, then we can see the price action moved up and stuck in the next bull flag. And after that, we have received some other bull signals by the Bill Williams three lines, and the alligator mouth was again opened. The green one was above all other moving averages. After that, we have the teeth, the 8, the moving average with the time period of 8. And after that, we have the moving average with the time period of 13, which is called jaw. And here we have a complete alligator mouth, open alligator mouth shape. And after that, the price action moved up and just achieved the recent high that was $363.29. And after that, when the price action, when the Bill Williams three lines were completely closed, then we were in a complete downtrend, and now we can see that we are again in the complete uptrend. And after this first bull flag was formed on January 2020, then we can see again the Bill Williams lines gave us the bull signals. The blue one, the jaw, came just beneath or below all other moving averages. Then we have the teeth. Then above all these moving averages, we have the lips of this alligator, and a complete mouth of alligator was open here, and we had another bullish divergence, and now the price action is stuck in another bull flag. At this time, if I'll disappear this price action, then you can see that this lips of this alligator has crossed down the teeth. So I'm expecting that soon we will have this order again, like we had here, a complete alligator open mouth, like it will be moved up again. The teeth will be moved up, the lips will be moved above all moving average, and this teeth will be after the lips, and jaw is already below all these moving averages. So once we will have this shape again, then we will have an other high by the Ethereum. So our next resistance level is $310. Once that resistance will be broken out, then we have already discussed that our next long-term resistance level is $742. This $310 resistance is our key level resistance because this is not broken out since June 2019. The price action could not break out this resistance level since June 2019. So once this resistance level will be broken out, then we will see that the price action will hit the $742 very soon on the long term. But that is our long-term resistance. It can take some time. At the moment, I'm expecting that the price action will break out this triangle, the resistance of this triangle, and after that, the price action may retest the resistance of this triangle as a support, and we will have another move to the $310. So this was the update from the Ethereum. I'll definitely keep you updated about the next Ethereum moves when I'll receive more signals, more developments by the price action of Ethereum. If you like the video, then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel. And there is one more important thing which I want to share you on this triangle. If I'll place a volume profile. That is very much important. I was just finishing the video, but I just forgot that point. That is very much important. I'm just placing this volume profile on this complete triangle. Then you can see that the trader's interest is moving up, and so far we have the trader's interest from here up to here. Therefore, I'm not expecting that the price action will move down again or have a breakdown. So this is a very important point. With this important point, I'm just finishing this video. Take care. Goodbye.